Yeah, what's the deal, YouTube fam? It's your favorite guy, Minister Chris, on this boy again. Today I was supposed to get on here and do something, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I'm gonna be on here every day doing something, sending a shout out, saying what's up, you know what I'm saying? Giving y'all some inspiration, doing something, you know what I'm saying? Something new for me personally, you know what I mean? But I know it's labeled on tonight, man. It's just real simple, man. You know how you hear people say, man, I'm gonna keep stuff 100, I'm gonna keep it 100, I'm gonna keep it real with you. Man, you gotta really know people, man, and know when people keep it 100, because you could say something that's real, but it could be wrong, you know what I'm saying? Just because it's real don't mean it's right. So, with that being said, man, guys, watch what you listen to, you know what I'm saying? Watch what people say around you, you know what I mean? Because this time out for the fake, you know, real recognize real. Truth of the matter is, man, it ain't about you or me at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? It's about keeping it 100 with yourself, man. I don't care if you real with me, you supposed to be real with your buddy. Being real with yourself before it come out your mouth, it's fake. You know what I mean? Before it even hit the airwaves, hit the world wide web, whatever you're doing, it's fake. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta keep real with yourself. That me, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I'm gonna keep it 200 with you. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna be straightforward. You know what I'm saying? There's some stuff I might get on here and say folks don't understand and folks might not like. But at the end of the day, like I said, it's not about me or you. You know what I'm saying? It's about a bigger picture. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say everything I do is real. Because at the end of the day, my picture real. My picture right. You know what I'm saying? I don't paint nothing that's wrong. And my life, my family life is real deal. You know what I'm saying? So, let's go to sleep on that, man. Think about that. You know what I'm saying? Just because somebody say something and it sound real, it don't mean it's right. You know what I'm saying? You got to be able to make a difference between real and wrong and right and wrong and real and fake. Because when I say real, recognize real. So once again, it's your boy, Mr. Chris, your favorite guy, signing out, man. Y'all look forward to me tomorrow. You know, I'm listening to my little instrumentals right now. That's what I do in my sad time. I do the gospel rap thing. So it might be a time y'all get on here and y'all see me do my little thing like that. But, you know what I'm saying? Y'all guys keep the lookout for me, man. I'm coming. Up and coming, doing some things, man. But YouTube, it's gonna be an ongoing thing, man. So I'll get at y'all tomorrow. Yeah.